Hi all, thanks for all the support for the previous video. Appreciate it. In this video, we'll be installing the brake light as well as this is the running light. So the Denali B6 brake light, which is purchased from Custom Elements website, as well as all the other Denali accessories which will be installed on the motorcycle. The only reason for this is Himalayan has an integrated brake and indicator light. So I want a dedicated braking and running light on a motorcycle for a better protection and safety on as well as visibility. Instead of using the plastic or just hanging it, what I'm using is a aluminum number plate case. So when I was working on it, I realized that there is lot of mass at the end of the plastic, which I don't want because during rides this will be flexing a lot. What I did was, instead of using the B6 number plate mount, I'm using the light directly to the number plate accessories. Also, what I did further was went to a fabricator, drilled out a central hole. Bonita break. Bonita break, and that's my wife. Yeah, she's always supportive on this. So, thanks, Preeta. Another thing which I have done before making this video is calculated the measurements of the holes where I want the bolts to be. This is my number for the motorcycle. These are the components that will be assembled right now and will be installed in the Himalayan. Uh, Plate, there are two grooves as well as this B6 will hold the beam. So what you have to do is slide the number plate in. So yeah, I forgot one of the steps to record. So what I did was added 3M double set tape around the number plate holder and the number plate. It kinds of arrests the rattling noise as well as it will hold firmly. Just to share information, from factory there is you will have only one hole here. What I have done is I have made it bigger, so the B6 connectors goes in. Another hole was drilled, so the number plate firmly fits on the rear mudguard. So yeah, job done. As this has been hardware installation video, uh, I know would like everyone would like to see the B6 working. Just using the 12 volt drill battery to for demonstration purposes. Currently, it's on the running lights. So I'm just simulating when brake is applied. Uh, so there are two ways to install this in any motorcycle. First thing, from the hardware itself, this could be posi tapped to your OEM wires. Um you just have to figure out the wires and then tap it to it, which might cause warranty issues. I'm going the other way around. Since all the accessories will be powered using the hex easy can pure, this will be connected to that. Uh, the additional point of that is I will have more variables to dial in the brightness of daylight running as well as the brake lights. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys. Take care.